How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can save your TikTok drafts on TikTok to your gallery without actually posting the video. Now after the latest update, it's possible to save your draft to gallery without posting as well. Now it's not about screen recording, it's not about posting privately, but let me show you quickly. You want to simply open up your TikTok and you shall get an interface like this, right? Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You want to simply tap on profile icon, and here you can see the draft section. I have 9 drafts as you can see on the screen. You want to simply tap on drafts option. Now here you want to open up one of your drafts that you wish to save to your gallery without actually posting. Now I'll just open up this one. Now here, as you open it, you can see what you want to do is now at the top right corner under the settings icon, you can see the save option. Simply tap on save. Now it'll start saving. It might take some time, however. Once it's finished saving, you can see it's finished saving. It says save to album. You want to head to your gallery. If I head to my gallery here, and you can see the video has been saved and the video is still on draft and it's not being posted. So this way you can save your TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.